Few days back, I had bought a set of blank MDF board made tea coasters in round shape from Amazon seller named as Swag Station, on which I painted very easy human figures of worldly art style using acrylic colors and markers. I hope you have seen that video. Along with that, I also bought another set of DIY fish shaped tea coasters from an Amazon seller named as IVEI, and this week I have tried to do some fish painting on these coasters in Madhubani art style, which I'll be showing you in today's video. So welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. You're watching Sundays with Shubhasri. These MDF board tea coasters are available at Amazon for around 200 to 300 rupees from different sellers, and they are specifically for DIY activities. They are made of good quality MDF board which have pretty smooth surface, making them ideal for painting. So as usual, I have applied a thin coat of white gesso and let it dry out for 30 minutes and then started making rough sketch on them with pencil. Let me mark the outline of the structure with black thin nibbed marker so that it's visible to you all. As I said earlier in this video, I'm trying to do some easy Madhubani art style, which is a famous Indian traditional art originated from Bihar. One of the specialty of this art form is to draw double borders to highlight the painting. And another feature of this is to leave as low white space as possible. That means to fill out all the blank spaces with easy patterns like dots, lines, or dashes. So that's why I have drawn small lines to leave an impression of water. And then I am drawing scales that are present in fish body. Every time I used to see these MDF board coasters at Amazon, I used to feel that I don't need to buy them because I always make coasters from waste materials like cardboard or old CDs. But one fine day I just decided to buy two of them and try them out, and it was such a good decision to try them out because I'm just loving the experience of drawing on these smooth surfaced MDF boards. So if you love to do DIYs and you want to make some tea coasters, then you must give these MDF boards a try. At least buy one packet, and I'm sure that you will love to do paintings on these boards. Now for coloring these coasters, I will be using yellow, red and blue because Warli, Madhubani, or any other traditional Indian art form are believed to have started back in 7th century or much before that. Thus, these art form are generally seen in very basic colors, which were made from natural elements like red or brown from soil, blue color from indigo, and yellow from mustard seeds. So I have used yellow for the mouth and the tail of the fish, and this is how I have used the blue and then the red color, and then I have added some yellow in the borders also. And I have used acrylic white color pen to mark these lines like this. I have made same fish painting on all the four pieces of tea coaster this time, as the stand of this tea coaster is in shape of fish. So I didn't wanted to think anything else other than fish for this DIY project. But I had drawn different worldly figures in other set of coaster, which I have shown in my previous week's video. I'll drop the link of that video in the description box below or up here in the cards. Do watch that video also if you have not seen it yet. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get all my Sunday video notifications, and also share your feedback in the comment section below. I completed this DIY in just 45 minutes, though there were several mistakes if you consider minute detailing, but overall it has come up very bright and beautiful, as you can see. And if you want this kind of tea coasters for your tea table or dining table, you must give these Madhubani art or Worli art a try. They are super easy to do. So with that, this is Shubhashree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of home decor, DIY or shopping haul video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, stay healthy and enjoy your week ahead. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.